Okay, good evening everyone. Tonight we are going to discuss what is internet privacy. First, about the advancing technology. With internet advancing as fast as it is, and the complexity of the tools to use it ever growing, it is possible for the everyday user to maintain their own security on the web. How far does one have to delve into the underbelly of the World Wide Web to obtain the privacy they both want and deserve? The abusive capabilities that today's browser have and the speed at which they can be used is outstanding. The potential risk. The main issue with maintaining privacy on the internet is the fact that there are a number of different ways to access the information necessary to abuse or cause a harm to an internet user. Whether it is obtaining statistics and browsing information or spreading spyware and viruses, the techniques available are almost effortless